Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to another video about port forwarding. In the last video I have uploaded on how to port forward ports for few services. Now I will be doing the same on a TP-Link router. Let's get started. So first open your browser and type 192.168.1.1. And there in the username and password section type admin. After logging in, go to the forwarding section and go to the virtual server tab. Here I have already created few port forward rules, so you can just ignore it. Now click on the Add New button. Now in the service port in the internal port blank enter the port that needs to be forwarded. For example, I want to forward port 25, so enter 25 in both the blanks. In the IP address blank enter the IP number of the device from where the ports are forwarded. For example, let's take the device's IP address as 192.168.0.122. In the next blank, that is the protocol blank, select all if you don't know what protocol the service uses. If you know that, then select the appropriate protocol. In the service option, select enabled so that the port forwarding is enabled. In the common service port list, if you know what service you are port forwarding for, then select the service if it is listed in the list. If it is not, then leave it default. For example, let us take the service we are using as DNS. Let us select it, and then the ports and protocol is automatically changed according to the service. After you are done with this, click on Save, and then your port forwarding rule is saved. Now for a few people, after some time they don't want the ports to be forwarded and want to delete them. For that, click the Delete button. If you want to keep them but make few changes, then you can click Modify button and do the desired changes. That's it for this video. I hope you learned the topic clearly, and if you have any problems, comment down below. If you are satisfied with my videos, I request you to like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos related to tech and gaming. Thank you for watching.